Now, President of World Athletics, Lord Sebastian Coe, says assessing the damage caused by Hurricane Melissa and identifying ways to support Jamaica's recovery efforts are at the top of the agenda during his short visit to the island. Keon Rayner caught up with Coe as he started his three-day visit by meeting with the top brass of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association at the Jamaica Pegasus Monday morning.
Speaking exclusively with the TVJ Sports prior to meeting with the Garth Gale-led J3A's executive, Lord Sebastian Coe indicated that the focus of his trip to Jamaica is on helping to strengthen local infrastructure following the damage caused by Hurricane Melissa 2 months ago.
And our objective is always, as an international federation, when you do have these really big challenging moments, I remember them getting on for a decade ago with a very serious hurricane that also hit other islands in the Nakak family. And our challenge really is to make sure that under those circumstances we still do everything we possibly can to keep the athletes in training and ultimately in competition.
J3A's president Garth Gale is hopeful that Coe's visit will result in meaningful support for Jamaican athletics as the association continues its recovery process.
We will be meeting, we have a series of meetings planned, several visits, also some courtesy calls. The time is short, but we are going to, he is a true soldier, he believes in the program, and so he has not said no to the activities that we have put in place, and we can't reach everyone, but we believe we will be able to get a good cross-section of our stakeholders.
Lord Coe, who paid courtesy calls on Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Opposition Leader Mark Golding, as well as met with JOA President Christopher Samuda on Monday, is set to tour Montego Bay on Tuesday, along with members of the J3A's executive. In the meantime, Lord Coe paid tribute to Jamaica's continued role in global athletics, pointing to the nation's stellar high school program, which continued to unearth talent at the Boys and Girls Championships.
It's very clear to me that those pathways that are created, particularly out of schools and schools championships, are the pathways that deliver medals, top 8 places in major championships. So what is it that I'm most happy about? It's that athletics is firmly embedded both in sporting terms and cultural terms on the island, and particularly the recognition that if you get it right in the early years, you have the right coaching approach, and coaching has to be sensitive at that age, then you've got every chance of doing what you're doing. And it's interesting to me that the countries that tend to underperform are those countries that don't have those foundations in place at school level.
Lord Coe is scheduled to leave Jamaica Wednesday afternoon. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.